Hi, I'm Quinn, and this is my Assignment Task 2107 presentation video. Intentional teaching. In science teaching, intentional teaching can be implemented to expose children to science inquiry. Educators provide rich learning environments for inquiry and develop child-guided exploration. Educator plays an active role in introducing ideas, changing children's thinking. Example of intentional teaching could be implementing of various strategies, such as modeling, guide practice, questioning, scaffolding to extend science skill and knowledge. Developing learning experience that acknowledge children's prior understanding with specific science learning goals. Creating open-ended environment that offer children to engage in creative science inquiry and foster their learning disposition, such as enthusiasm, curiosity, and creativity. Inquiry-based learning, instead of representing answers, inquiry-based is an education approach that focuses on investigation and problem solving, starting with a range of questions and scenarios for children to navigate. Children work collaboratively to research and discover answers to questions through discussion, representation, and evaluation. So both teachings approach allow children to choose how they work on specific concept, represent, and reflect on their learning journey. Starting from children's prior knowledge and wonders, both approaches offer to attend and encourage in-depth investigation skill, providing interaction opportunity for children to discuss and change the plan that become far more complex. Teachers take advantage of teachable moments and collect evidence about achievement of outcome. Science experience property of rocks. Science concept rock can be varied in shape, texture, and colors. Duration 15 to 25 minutes. Age group 2 to 5. Group size 4 to 6 children. And resources a collection of rock samples, hammer, magnifying glass, bucket of water, brush, disc papers, and color pencils. Description. Educators introduce the learning topics at a science table, have children to choose their favorite rock samples, and have children to clean the chosen rock with water and brush and dry the rock with cloth. Then children describe the rocks, about the weight, the color, can they see what it's bright or do. Teacher, educator guide or model children to hammer off a portion. Can they cross the rock? Children record their findings and strike the rocks in a silent journal. Throughout the activity, guide play will be implemented through various strategies such as scaffolding, modeling, and guidance. For instance, guide children to work with hammers. Encourage children to conduct various tests on rocks. For instance, rubbing tapping rocks together for hard tests and sound tests. Open-ended questions that support deep thinking and ongoing discussion and problem solving, such as where do you see rock come from? What happened if we hammer the rock? What insides the rock and why some rocks are smooth, some are rough? Inclusive practice. Recognizing children's findings and balanced interaction within the group. Valuing, encouraging choice or language. Making attempts, including visual material for children with limiting language skill, and adapting various means of communication, such as drawings where children can convey their ideas. Children's enhance in scientific talks. Stress and contribute verbally and non-verbally to science findings, using descriptive language such as bumpy, hard, smooth, cold, and engage in a hands-on science investigation and discovering new ideas, which all linked to the early year learning framework, especially in outcome 2, connect and contribute to the world, outcome 4, confidence in involved learner, and outcome 5, effective communicator. Modification. When introduced the concept of weight, it is better to provide scale which children can visually describe whether it's heavy or light. Then it's better to work with math for each children that are accessible for children to collect material and support them to focus and to organize on few things without being overwhelmed. Extension of learnings can be discussed in different topics, as some rocks contain fossil, different type of rocks, minor form crystal, and even rocks can be found in different places. And thank you for listening.